All right, in this problem, we're given two equations. 4x equals 3y minus 20, and negative 4x equals 2y plus 10. And then we have a statement, the solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of 10x? So we want to solve for x. And one way we can do this quickly is we can add both equations together. So I'm just going to rewrite them down here. So 4x equals 3y minus 20. And negative 4x equals 2y plus 10. And what happens is I notice I have a positive 4x here and a negative 4x here. So if I add those together, I can eliminate x, solve for y, and then solve for x, and then find 10x. So if I add these two together, 4x minus 4x is 0, 3y plus 2y is 5y, negative 10 plus 10 is, or negative 20 plus 10 is negative 10. And now I'm going to solve for y. I've eliminated x, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0, so those cancel out, and we're left with 5y on the right-hand side of the equation. 0 plus 10 is 10. I want to know what just one y is, so I can plug that back in and figure out what x is. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and we get, so 2 equals y, or y equals 2. Okay, so we can take either of those two equations. Let's take the top one, and we can substitute in this value here, where y is here. So I'm going to say 4x equals 3 times 2 minus 20. 3 times 2 is 6, so 4x equals 6 minus 20. And 6 minus 20 is negative 14, so 4x equals negative 14. And then we divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we have 1x equals negative 14 over 4, which simplifies to negative 7 halves, which simplifies to negative 3.5. Or, well, it's the same thing as negative 3.5. So now remember, we wanted 10x. So to figure out what 10x is, we just do 10 times negative 3.5, and we get a solution of negative 35.